Today we are making a high protein brownie sundae. It is 40 grams of protein and it is delicious. It's going to involve making some high protein ice cream, but first thing we're going to do is start off with the ingredients. And there are two ingredients I want to call out as we combine all the dry ingredients into a bowl, and it is the King Arthur keto wheat flour, which is about 12 to 17 grams of protein per 1/4 cup and only 80 calories. And another ingredient I want to call out is the dark cocoa from King Arthur as well, which makes the brownies super dark. Now we're going to combine all the wet ingredients. So we're going to melt the butter and sugar, get that started on the stovetop, and then combine the rest of the ingredients together. Now we're going to combine the dry and wet ingredients and then add some chocolate chips while the batter is a bit warm. I'm going to mix that all together and the batter is going to become super dark. I'm going to pour it into the pan and then bake it for 15 to 17 minutes. Now this is how it looks when it comes out. It looks nice and dark. I'm going to cut it into nine squares, put it on the plate, make it look nice. Now I'm going to add 3 scoops of high protein ice cream, and if you have a Ninja Creamy Deluxe or just a Ninja Creamy, you can use that product to make high protein ice cream. I have a video that you can click on to see how you can accomplish this. And now to add toppings of your choosing. The more toppings you add, the more calories it's going to be. But regardless, with 3 scoops of high protein ice cream, it's going to be about 40 grams of protein. And please like the video, subscribe to my channel as I do my entry into MyFitnessPal, because I like to track everything I eat. And for this recipe, it looks like it's about 500 calories and 40 grams of protein for a dessert, which is awesome. And until next time, stay fit, my friends.